Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about factoring polynomials, the difference of two squares. This is for Mathematics 10. Difference of two squares, we have here the pattern. The given is this, x squared minus y squared, and then our factor will be the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x minus y. The operations here, which is plus and minus, is constant, so please don't change it, okay? If you want to write x minus y first, and then after that x plus y, then it's fine. No worries about it. The answer will still be the same. Let's have an example here. So we have here 16x squared minus 25. So this will be our solution. Let's copy the given first. So we have here 16x squared minus 25. And then after that, we have to get the square root of both terms. So we have here square root of 16x squared and the square root of 25. And then let's get the square root now. So square root of 16 is 4. Square root of x squared is x. Why is it x? It is because our index here is 2. So we have to divide the exponents. 2 divided by 2 is 1. There is 1 here, but it is invisible because it is 1. When your exponent is equal to 1, automatically it should be invisible. Then, after that, for 25, what is the square root of 25? That is 5. How do we know that that is the square root? For numbers, this is how. For example, square root of 16. You have to think of a number that when you raise to 2 is equal to 16. Like 4. 4 raised to 2, meaning 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So that's why the answer is 4. And like for number 5, 5 is the square root of 25 because 5 raised to 2 or 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So without calculator, you may use this method to find the square root. And then 4x will be your x, this one, and 5 will be your y. Now let's have our pattern. So the pattern is x plus y and x minus y. So x is 4x plus y, so that's 5, times x again, so that is 4x minus y, that's 5. So this is our final answer for example number 1. Another example. We have here 81x squared minus 100. So for this, same process, let's write solution here. And then let's copy the given. So that is 81x squared minus 100. And then let's get the square root of 81x squared and 100. Square root of 81, that's 9. Square root of x squared is x. And then square root of 100, that is 10. So 9x will be your x, 10 will be your y. Let's have the pattern. So that is x plus y. So x is 9x plus y, that's 10. For the second parenthesis, that's x, so 9x minus y, that's 10. So this is the final answer. Next, another example. We have here 49x squared minus 9y raised to 4 z raised to 8. Let's copy the given first. Let's have solution. And then after that, let's get the square root of 49. And square root of 9y raised to 4 z raised to 8. Square root of 49 first. So that is 7. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 9 first, so that is 3. Square root of y raised to 4, that is 4 divided by your index, which is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that's y raised to 2. And then for z, that's z raised to 8. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So this will be your x and this will be your y. So let's follow the pattern. Pattern is x plus y first. So that is 7x plus 3y squared z raised to 4 times x again. So that is 7x minus y. That is 3y squared z raised to 4. And that's it. That's the final answer for number 3. How about this? We have here a negative number. This will be our solution. The given is negative 121 x raised to 10 plus 64. We don't want any negative number first, so therefore we have to interchange the places of these numbers. Then it will become 64 minus 121 x raised to 10. It is still the same but different in position. So let's have the square root of 64 and square root of 121 x raised to 10. Square root of 64, that's 8. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of x raised to 10, that's 10 divided by your index, which is 2. That's 5. So x raised to 5. So 8 is your x. 11x raised to 5 is your y. So therefore, this is our final answer. Let's follow the pattern. That's x plus y. Our x is 8, so 8 plus y, that is 11x raised to 5 times x again, that's 8 again, minus y, that's 11x raised to 5. And this is the final answer. The quantity of 8 plus 11x raised to 5 times the quantity of 8 minus 11x raised to 5. So this is how you factor difference of two squares. I hope that you have learned something today. If you have any question or clarification about the topic or about us, kindly message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.